I'm Stephanie Rubletz. Welcome back to my channel. We are carrying on with 2020 reSEWlutions for day number 6. All right, another one of the most common New Year's resolutions that I saw on all the New Year's resolution lists was to read more. How can your sewing machine help you read more? Well, I mean, it can't physically help you read more, but what it can do is you can sew yourself an amazing library tote. And if you are in a community with a library, I highly recommend checking out your library. I feel like some people think that like libraries are passé, and now that we have the internet, like who needs a library? Oh my God, we all need a library. And honestly, libraries are so much more than books now. They are a place to access community. They are a place to access media. They are a place to access computers. They have all the things. All the things. So if you want to read more, check out your library and save yourself a few bucks. I mean, a library membership has got to be cheaper than heading to the bookstore every time. I really like this tote because it's got like a little pocket on the side that I feel like would be perfect for putting your library card in, and then you would have everything in one place. When we head out to the library, like my kids and myself, I need to have like all the books in a bag together, like everything together. Otherwise, I know that I'm going to forget one of them, or something's going to happen, or the cards aren't going to be there. So I like to have everything together, and this bag I think would be super great for that. The other thing that you can do is you can make these cute little sewn bookmarks. And you can even take this project and have some fun with your kids or grandkids or whoever with it by teaching them how to like sew on buttons to embellish them, and they could have something that they're really proud of that they can use on their books. All right, so this one was super short, just a couple of ideas to use your sewing skills to help you read more. Let me know below if reading more was one of your New Year's resolutions. That's all I have for you today. I will be back at you with another resolution tomorrow. Until then, do all the things, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.